good afternoon. This is Faithlyn with Elegance. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so excited to be able to share this DIY with you. But before I jump in, if this is your first time to my channel, welcome and thank you so much for choosing to watch. We are going to do a Dollar Tree DIY. So this DIY is going to be a home decor, and the reason why I want to put it in a category of just a home decor, because you can use it as a candle holder, or you can use it as a cylinder, a centerpiece, whatever it is you desire to do with it. But I think it's going to be gorgeous. I was in the Hobby Lobby today and they had this ribbon, and I totally fell in love with it and thought I had to do something with it. And of course I had my Dollar Tree cylinders already, so I decided I want to create something with both of these beautiful piece I picked up today. Now, I know I've been doing some farmhouse decor, and so I want to do something glam for all of the glam people today for your home. Now, I think this will be perfect for the holidays, even though it's somewhat of gold and silver and pink. I think it will be fabulous. So let's jump into what we're gonna need for this DIY. You will need that ribbon, and the ribbon is from Hobby Lobby for $6.99. I did grab it on sale today. They're running their sale on ribbons for 50% off, so I did get it for 50% off. And this gem, this is decorative trim, and it is the rhinestone for $8.99 and 50% off as well. You will need a Dollar Tree napkin rings. These candle holders I haul it from a Goodwill store. I love to go in the Goodwill and look around for different shapes of candle holders. These were $1.18, and I think for something a little bit different, paying 18 cents than the Dollar Tree candle holders that we often use, this will just give a change, a different look to this decor. So that's what we're gonna go with. These are $1.18 a piece, and these are the Dollar Tree cylinder, the large one and the small one. You'll definitely need scissors for cutting, your glue gun, and glue sticks. So let's get started on this. Okay guys, so you can see where I have the two ribbons joining together. So what I want to do, in order to disguise that, I want to take my gems, and I'm going to actually find the back where all the seams are. I'm going to lay a generous amount of glue down. I'm going to take my stones, and let's go ahead and make lay it down, hold it there for a bit, I'm gonna take that all the way around and I will be back. So guys, as I shared with you, you can see the line in where I've connected both of the ribbon. I decided that I want to go ahead and add some more of the stones. So what I'm going to do is measure it from one end to the bottom. So where the gem began, here, I'm going to take it down to the bottom of the cylinder. I also decided that I want to add some of my brooch that I have. I've got 2 of them and I hauled them from Walmart. I want to go ahead and add that to both of them as well, just to finish it off. So I did it on the large one already. I'm gonna do it on this one as well. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out. If you like the way it looked, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and please share the video with your family and friends. I truly appreciate your time, your support, and leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on this DIY. The brooch that I add, would you have added that to it to give a little bit more bling? All right, I will see you on my next DIY.